right, guys and gals, here's the video to find the winner of my Jerry Kramer full-size Hall of Fame helmet with Hall of Fame inscription. We'll check the time is March 21st. I'm going to let this roll over here to 8:58. 8:58 p.m. I'm going to go over to the raffle and type live. And we've got March 21st at 8:58 p.m. Here's the list of our 22 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 10. All right, 10 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Mick in spot 13 as our winner. So Mick, please get with me to get me your shipping info. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, March 21st at 8:58 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.